Welcome back to the tutorial for EINSTAR VEGA. In this video, we're going to learn about the major steps for setting up scan modes in your EINSTAR VEGA. We're going to explore the HD mode, the fast mode, the advanced settings, and the alignment mode. Let's get started. First, let's choose the right scan mode based on your requirements and the size of object you're going to scan. HD mode is perfect for small and intricate objects with high detail. On the other hand, fast mode is designed for medium to large objects and offer a higher scanning speed. Now you can choose the mode that best fits your project needs. Next, let's further explore the advanced settings. Here you will choose between object mode and portrait mode depending on what you are scanning, an object or a human. And here you can select the resolution level from low, medium to high based on your requirements. If color texture is needed, turn on Acquire Texture. Otherwise, you can leave it off for a scan without color. Scanning with texture usually takes a little longer time than non-texture scanning. Now let's select the appropriate alignment mode based on the features of your object. Feature alignment is enabled by default. This mode aligns the scan data based on rich geometric features suitable for most objects. If you've enabled Acquire Texture, you can select Texture Alignment. This mode works best for objects with rich and irregular textures but less features. I would like to suggest you to choose feature alignment as the first option if the object has rich geometry. Lastly, we have marker alignment. It is useful for objects with repetitive or less geometric features. Marker alignment also helps a better accuracy. Be sure to apply the markers randomly and evenly across the surface of the object to ensure accurate alignment. With marker alignment, you can achieve precise results even on less detailed objects. And there you have it! Now you know how to set up scan modes effectively with your EINSTAR VEGA. Leave any comments below. Thanks for watching and happy scanning!